SHARP is the Summer Healthcare Academic Undergraduate Research Program. This program is open to all students who are interested in doing research related to healthcare. The program exposes students who are motivated to pursue healthcare to research.
The SHARP program was a good opportunity for me because it fulfilled a co-op requirement and it gave me valuable research experience that can apply to the real world. SHARP was the first step to learning more about the broader science and research communities. It made me more interested in doing research. I got experience with scientific writing, data collection, and analysis. And this early experience made me really interested in pursuing research in the future. I really enjoyed the SHARP summer program and the chance to do research.
Growing up, I've always loved science. I was more interested in having interactions with people, which is part of the process within the healthcare field. When I saw that dentists can be creative and hands-on through cleaning and fixing teeth, I loved that idea. So that's when I decided that I wanted to be a dentist.
I myself was one of the people coming into this program without prior research experience, but the SHARP program has made it easy, providing anything from a very basic research certification program to constant help of staff to any of the tools I need to carry out my first research project, even in the small scope of 12 weeks. And it's been a lot of fun. All the meetings we have about the professional research environment where we discuss articles has been very informative to listen to and just great experience to be a part of.
My focus is on sexual health education in the deaf community. I can't know everything about policy until I start thinking about health. So I realized that I wanted to have a better understanding of deaf healthcare, access, and everything else related to the deaf community before I can really make changes in policy for the deaf community. That understanding is directly related to my venture into research, and research seemed interesting to me, so I wanted to try something new.
I've really appreciated this experience because I was able to come up with my own project. I didn't have to just assist on other people's projects. I have the freedom to do whatever I feel motivated to do.
My personal favorite part is just the people I've been able to work with. The staff here is always willing to lend a hand, and that's been just great. And the other research assistants, the more experienced RAs, are always willing to give tips and keep an eye on you to make sure you're on track. They're a lot of fun to work with as well. When I had to work with one of the other RAs to create my survey, it was just great to have another set of eyes and another perspective on my work.
I think the biggest takeaway from this experience would probably be the research skills I gained. Learning how to be patient, learning how to find different things. For example, not everything I find is easy to access. Also, I learned how to work with other people, which I think is very beneficial to my academic journey.
I think it opened up a piece of my academic journey that I wasn't expecting. I wasn't expecting to go into any sort of research or have that experience, so I'm really grateful for kind of the variety of experiences that I've now been able to have. I think that even though my goal is clinical medicine, seeing that research side is important, and it's definitely interesting to have that knowledge and understanding going forward.
My greatest takeaway from the SHARP program was the opportunity to improve my teamwork and communication skills. I haven't had much experience with professional teamwork like this. In the SHARP program, I worked on a team with several other people, and that required us to agree on our expectations and make sure that we were on the same page about our plans and expectations for the research project. This skill is very important, and I feel more confident now about working on a team. It's important to make sure that we collaborate effectively to make the project successful. And I'm glad I had the opportunity to learn through SHARP.